My name is Gabby, but on this platform, I am GabbyBadddCurly. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another hair video tutorial. I need moisture and twist curl mousse. So my hair is freshly washed, freshly conditioned. I also blow dried my hair. I'm going to separate my hair and we're gonna get into this, okay? We ain't gonna wait no longer. That is my goal. My goal for this look is to have hair volume. It's day 2. I slept with these Flexi Rods in overnight. Probably wasn't the best decision. As I'm taking these down, they don't feel, there's no product residue so far. And it's really shiny. The only reason I blow dried my hair is to see if I would have more volume when it came to my rod set. But I feel like my shrinkage is always going to be shrinkage, whether it's wet or dry. Like my hair just going to shrink regardless. This is the final look of the Creme of Nature curling mousse, baby. She did this thing. She did good. I'm gonna give you guys a 360. So that's why I went for a dry look instead of a wet look. After I picked it out and separated my hair, shook it around to give me more shape. I also did a new trick that I found, but I decided to use bobby pins. I bobby pin some areas, put flat. That's one bobby pin right here. To just have my face framed in more. The product itself, this curling mousse is a heavier mousse than what I'm used to. Most mousses are more water-based, oil-based, alcohol-based, because it is a heavier foam. That shea is very moisturized to the point where you probably don't even need a leave-in. I particularly like to use one product and done. I don't like to weigh it down. I don't like to do none of that. I want to be one and done and out the door. I love the smell of this foam. Like the smell of it's like a shea. It's a very warm smell, like a warm vanilla shea smell. And it's throughout my head. Like I can smell it in my bonnet. I can smell it throughout the house. The texture of the foam itself is not sticky. I thought it would be more sticky because of the butter. But it's not sticky. And it's cheap. And I never used the Creme of Nature line. And tag Creme of Nature in this video so they can see these bomb results. And my name is GabbyBadddCurly. I am a content creator, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!